इंग्लिश का डेवलपमेंट 30,000 साल पहले हुआ। 5,000 साल पहले मेसोपोटामिया की सभ्यता में सुमेरियंस द्वारा बोलती पिक्चरें आई। 1,000 साल पहले इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स का डेवलपमेंट हुआ। ये 26 लेटर्स आर बेस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। 26 लेटर्स में 5 वोवल्स होते हैं एंड 21 कॉन्सोनेंट्स होते हैं। 5 वोवल्स इन्हें वोवल्स इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि वो अपने साउंड से बोले जाते हैं, और कॉन्सोनेंट उन्हें इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि वो वोवल्स की साउंड से बोले जाते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट 24 होते हैं और वोवल्स 24 होते हैं। सॉरी, गलत हो गया।
कोई बात नहीं।
वोवल्स 21 होते हैं और कॉन्सोनेंट 24 होते हैं। प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ अल्फ़ाबेट्स: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z। शब्दों को मिलाकर वर्ड्स बनते हैं और वर्ड्स से मिलाकर सेंटेंस से मिलाकर पैराग्राफ्स बनते हैं और पैराग्राफ से मिलाकर स्टोरीज बनती हैं। स्टोरी से मिलाकर बनती है एपिक। वो सेंटेंस जो कंप्लीट सेंस देते हैं उन्हें हम सेंटेंस कहते हैं, और वो सेंटेंस जो सेंस तो देते हैं बट कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं देते हैं उन्हें हम फ्रेज कहते हैं। सेंटेंसों के ग्रुप को हम क्लोज कहते हैं। कुछ शब्द ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हमारी टंग बार बार स्टॉप होती है, लाइक अ फादर। इसमें मेरी टंग 2 टाइम स्टॉप हुई है, देन आई कॉल साइलेबल। टेंस असर्ट। टेंस हमारे 3 टाइप्स होते हैं। हम 3 टाइप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं: सिंपल टेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कंपाउंड इज फर्स्ट, एंड सेकंड इज असर्टिव, इंट्रोगेटिव, इम्पेरेटिव, एक्सक्लेमेटरी, ऑब्जेक्टिव, एंड थर्ड इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट। He is a good boy. He is not a good boy. Is he a good boy? Is he not a good boy? Why was he a good boy? Why is he a good boy? Why is he not a good boy? Simple past. He was a good boy. He was not a good boy. Was he a good boy? Was he not a good boy? Why was he a good boy? Why was he not a good boy? Simple future. He will be a good boy. He will not be a good boy. Why will be he a good boy? Will he not be a good boy? Why will he be a good boy? Why will he not be a good boy? Present indefinite. He writes letter. He writes letter. He doesn't write a letter. Does he write a letter? Does he not write a letter? Why does he write a letter? Why does he not write a letter? Present continuous. He is writing a letter. He is not writing a letter. Is he writing a letter? Is he not writing a letter? Why is he writing a letter? Why is he not writing a letter? Present perfect. He has written a letter. He has not written a letter. Has he written a letter? Has he not written a letter? Why has he written a letter? Why has he not written a letter? Present perfect continuous. He has been written a letter. He has not been written a letter. Has he been written a letter? Has he not been written a letter? Why has he been written a letter? Why has he not been written a letter? Past indefinite. He wrote a letter. He did not wrote a letter. He did not write a letter. Did he write a letter? Did he not write a letter? Why did he write a letter? Why did he not write a letter? Past continuous. He was writing a letter. He was not writing a letter. Was he writing a letter? Why was he not writing a letter? Was he writing a letter? Was he not writing a letter? Why was he writing a letter? Why was he not writing a letter? Past perfect. He have written a letter. He have not written a letter. Have he written a letter? Have he not written a letter? Had. He had written a letter. He had written a letter. He had not written a letter. Had he written a letter? Had he not written a letter? Why had he written a letter? Why had he not written a letter? Past perfect continuous. He had been written a letter. He had not been written a letter. Had he been written a letter? Had he not been written a letter? Why had he been written a letter? Why had he not been written a letter? Future indefinite. He will return a letter. He will return a letter. He will not return a letter. Will he return a letter? Will he not return a letter? Why will he return a letter? Why will he not return a letter? Future continuous. He will be writing a letter. He will not writing a letter. He will not be writing a letter. Will he be writing a letter? Will he not be writing a letter? Why will he writing a letter? Why will he not be writing a letter? Future perfect. He have been written a letter. He have not been written a letter. Have he been written a letter? Have he not been written a letter? Why have he been written a letter? Why have he not been written a letter?
कौन सा बोलिए?
Sir, simple. Sorry, future perfect.
Will have आएगा.
Sir, will have. Sorry.
He will have.
He will have written a letter. He will have. Sorry, he will not have written a letter. Will he have written a letter? Will he not have written a letter? Why will he have written a letter? Why will he not have written a letter? Simple. Sorry, future perfect continuous. He will have been written a letter since morning. He will not have been written a letter since morning.
Written नहीं होता, writing होता है इसमें हिंदी.
Sorry. He will have been writing a letter since morning. He will not have been writing a letter since morning. Will he have been writing a letter since morning? Will he not have been writing a letter since morning? Why will he have writing a letter since morning? Why will he have been writing a letter since morning? Why will he not have been writing a letter since morning?